Hi there, my name's Lisa. Today I'm going to teach you how to use tired correctly. I'm tired of doing it. I'm too tired to do it. I'm tired from doing it. 3 prepositions, 3 different ideas, 3 different structures. Let's take a closer look. Tired. Tired is a description. So we need our action to be I am tired, you are tired, he is tired. He eats pizza every day. He eats pizza Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. No more pizza. He is tired of pizza. He wants to eat something else. Or you can say, he is tired of eating pizza. But remember, if you want to use a verb, it's always in a gerund form. He is tired of eating pizza. Let's practice. Is he tired of eating pizza? That's right, he is tired of eating pizza. She has 3 kids. They're very messy. She has to clean the house every day. She is tired of cleaning the house. Let's practice. Is she tired of cleaning the house? That's right, she is tired of cleaning the house. She has to cook every day. Is she tired of cooking? That's right, she is tired of cooking. He has to work on the computer every day. Is he tired of working on the computer? That's right, he is tired of working on the computer. And now let's look at this structure. He is too tired to go to the party. He is so tired that he is not going to go to the party. We say he is too tired plus the infinitive. He is too tired to go to the party. It means he is not going to go to the party because he is too tired. So let's practice. Is he going to go to the party? That's right, he is not going to go to the party. Why not? Is he too tired to go to the party? That's right, he is too tired to go to the party. Great job. Is she going to go out with her friend tonight? That's right, she's too tired to go out with her friend tonight. It means she's not going to go anywhere. She's going to stay home because she's too tired to go out with her friend. Great job. And now let's look at this structure. He is tired from the flight. He is tired from flying. He is tired from traveling. We want to emphasize that he is tired physically. So we can say, he is tired from the flight. Why is he tired? He is tired from the flight. If you want to use a verb, it's in a gerund form. He is tired from flying. He is tired from traveling. Let's practice. Why is he tired? That's right, he is tired from the flight. He is tired from flying. He's been traveling for 2 days. He is tired from traveling. Great job. Why is he tired? Is he tired from moving the boxes? That's right, he is tired from moving the boxes. Great job. Thank you for watching, and if you want to learn English and practice speaking English, subscribe to my channel. Bye!